Hey, this is Dave with the Prepper Bookshelf, and today we're going to review The Art of Natural Building. The Art of Natural Building is a pretty interesting design book. Got lots of different case studies, a lot of different pictures talking about why you should build sustainably, and then construction principles. It's got a whole section on, why, the importance of natural building. Talks about design and planning, about 50 pages or so on design or planning. And then the rest of the book is all natural building materials and natural building techniques. It's got an overview, talks about natural insulation, talking about rubble trenches, which works for several different types of construction. Talks about how to build earth floors, tamped road floors, adobe, bamboo, building with cob, building with CEB or compressed earth blocks, cordwood, and the cordwood comes from Rob Roy, which is that man is known internationally for his cordwood construction. Talk about earth bags, talk about earth ships, earth shelter, building with hemp, clay, straw clay, paper houses, round earth, masonry, straw bale, timber framing, wattle and daub. Talks about different types of roof systems, building green roofs, which I find very interesting, thatching, plastering, working with lime, working with natural paints, using recycled material, all sorts of good information if you're considering working with natural construction. It's got an R value chart so that you can figure out which type of construction works best for you. And as I said on the site, if you knew what you were doing, if you were pretty handy, you were pretty smart, you could probably use this book to get yourself started in building. But what I use it for is to compare and contrast, because I know the benefits. I know what I want, but I don't know which technique is going to be best suited for where I'm at to get me what I want, right? And so this is a good all-in-one reference to find out, what works best for me, and some good resources to help me get started at finding the specific books and content that I need. All right. So anyway, The Art of Natural Building is a really great book. I hope that you find this review useful. I hope you find the book useful, and you can always catch us online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.